Welcome home to the Missions at Rio Vista in sunny San Diego, California. You will find our beautiful community centrally located just minutes away from the major freeways and walking distance to shopping centers, movie theaters, and restaurants. We are an easy commute to major universities. Whether it is going downtown, relaxing at one of the sunny beaches in San Diego, taking a trolley ride to Old Town, or strolling along the San Diego River, you will always be close to home. The Missions at Rio Vista offers 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans that were designed to best fit your needs. Our homes have an all-electric gourmet kitchen complete with a breakfast bar and spectacular views from your own private balcony and patio. Our homes feature plush wall-to-wall carpeting, 9-foot ceilings, crown molding, full-size washers-dryers, large walk-in closets, intrusion alarms, and central air conditioning and heating. The Missions at Rio Vista offers many community amenities for our residents to enjoy, such as our lagoon-style pool, lap pool, 24-hour state-of-the-art fitness center, and business center with high-speed internet. Our efficient on-site management team is available to help make life simple with package acceptance, online payment and service request options, and many additional resident services. If you are looking for a pet-friendly community in Mission Valley, look no further. The Missions at Rio Vista welcomes your furry friends. Now your pet has the opportunity to relax by your side and enjoy all the comforts of your apartment home.